Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to tell you the HTML project number 2 by using the notepad. I hope if you have watched my previous video on HTML project 1, then you have an idea. So today I am going to tell you the project number 2 that is based on the HTML. Okay, so first we have write the HTML. After that we have write the head. Then after that title enclosed with the some specific name, like I'm going to write a name, cartoon. Now after that close the title and head like that, and head. After that move to the next line and use a tag with body busy color is equal to whatever you can use it here. I'm using pitch puff. After close it with double quote, I'm again using the text as a body text tag, and text is in the green color with the double quote. Now after that move to the next line and using a paragraph tag with p tag. After that specify the font tag by using font size, and font size should be there as a value of 4. Now after that write some lines whatever you can, like the creativity requires both freedom and constraint in our thinking. Whatever you can write any other words, like the critics and historians have accessed, and scientists have reflected on their own and on their own thinkings. Now after that change the line and just use the image src tag as by using img src. After type the is equal to sign up, then go with the especially the picture which you want to insert with their properties, and if you want you can write directly their name without copying or going with the properties details. So I'm here to copy these details and now paste here by using double quotes. If you are not using double quotes, then your program will not be run. Means ki the picture is not be there. After that, In the tag, you have write the alignment, set the alignment. Align, ALIGN. Align is equal to whatever you can write here, type here. If you want it isn't right, then type here right. If you want to left, then you have type here left. After that, H space is a tag that horizontally and vertically space about the horizontally and vertically space. I'm just here use the value that is 30, and after that I'm using the V space, means vertically space. V space is also be there as a 30 value, and after that height and width tag will be there. Height is equal to 150. Now width is equal to 150. Okay, now after that move to the next line. In closing with this, and again you have insert the same value for the another picture. Means ki I am going to tell you how to use two picture, how to move the picture from one place to another place with the different values. Now here I am using the different picture. You can see there on my desktop it is been there Mr. Bean. So I am using the Mr. Bean dot jpg. Okay, and I'm going to change the alignment because in the above picture we having used the right alignment, so here left alignment is there. Okay, after that everything is okay. Now we have moved to the next line and using a different paragraph by using p tab and write something about and above all psychologists have carried out tests to measure creativity creativity experimental experiments experiments to expose to explore it. Exercise 2 to enhance it, and one space should be there, and investigations to reveal it in the lives of gifted individuals. After that, close the p tag by using the slash, then close the font tag by using the same rule, and then close the body and HTML tag. One thing, uh, in the result of the picture, we having a problem by the words which are starting with the capital or small. It is not identified due to my font style. So I'm going to change it by the different or a regular font style that is called Arial. So where we need, we can change it. Now here C is in capital. So C is in capital. Now here critics C is in capital. So check out these things. These are very easy, but if we having any kind of problem to viewing the pictures, to viewing the program, then we have to check it. Okay, after that, save it by using the save as command. Previously, you know very well using the all files, then write a name CARTWON, whatever you can. After that, use an extension .html. Now save it file on the desktop. It being saved. Now minimize the program and open this one. If it is properly run, then it's mean our program is good. It is worked. Now wait for responding. It is being opening. Now maximize the window and check out there. There are two pictures that you can see that. So our today's program has been done, and I hope everyone understood. It is very easy. So we will meet in the next program with the next another ideas. So thank you everyone.